All right, so we are again here for with one new meet and read session with Sandeep sir, and this one is little special. So first of all, you have to let me know that guys, have you noticed any change recently in the logo of GFG in our social media platforms? What change is that? Have you noticed any change? And we are seeing all of your comments here. So please be interactive. All the queries you have, we are going to be having a very good and interactive session. Hello, Alok, how are you? The question that I've asked you again, have you noticed any change in the GFG logo? Well, I can see comments. Okay. Yep. Gold Geeks for Geeks, right? The logo has changed its color. We will reveal the reason why. Okay, we are here to just reveal that reason why. So yes, it is a new product launch as well. Along with all the conversation that we are going to have, we will be launching a new product which is really awaited. And along with that, you must know that whenever we introduce a new product and when you are participating in the launch event of it, we always have something for you in it as well. So similarly, in this one as well, by the end of the session, we have planned a surprise gift for you. So let's continue. Sandeep sir, just let me know what is happening in the Geeks for Geeks right now.
All right, Devashish. So, hi guys. First of all, thanks for joining us, and I'm super excited to interact with you all. And what all I have been doing, and what all we have been doing as a team. I have been receiving a lot of messages in my DM on LinkedIn, particularly about different topics that people want to know my opinion of, or they want to understand from industry experts at different levels what is happening in the tech industry, what is happening in the job market. uh, we'll be answering all those questions through my YouTube channel. So I've been working on my YouTube channel where I've been publishing a lot of video content. I've been doing a lot of meetups. The channel name is Tech Bachi. So this is the first thing that I've been doing in the recent past. The second thing that I've been doing is on Geeks for Geeks, we have been publishing a lot of content, diverse content. And the tech content, the thing is, technology keeps on updating. There are
Right.
new versions of different things. So we have
Right.
been updating the content, publishing what is happening in the tech industry. And recently we started improving the content also. So there is an event going on about tech content improvement
Okay.
on Geeks for Geeks. So this is again one thing where I've been personally involved. And the third thing is we are also adding a lot of video content on Geeks for Geeks. So we are inviting students for video content internship. We'll be putting the link also of the form in the chat box. So these are a few things that I've been doing, and the new product that we are going to talk
Right.
about.
So sure. Well, as Sir has already mentioned, we are looking for people who can create good videos. So if you find yourself suitable, do send us your resume. So now coming on to the main topic of this meetup. Well, sir, what is the new product? Please tell us about the product.
So, guys, I think your wait is over. The new product is GFG Premium. We actually launched it a few years back also, but it was not market fit at that time, and there were some issues, and there were a lot of feedback also that we received. And we care a lot about the feedback of the working professionals and the
Right.
students who use our product. So we took that feedback very seriously, and we have relaunched it now. And this GFG Premium has lots of features that we are going to talk about.
Yeah.
Along with the GFG features, I am going to answer all your queries also that you're going to
Right.
ask in the chat box. We'll make sure that all your questions are answered, and we update you here about everything that is happening in the GFG and that is happening in the job market, technical job market.
Sure. So before we move ahead with the session, if you have any query, you can put that up in the charts. We'll be taking that up. And along with the premium, well, again, the surprise for you, let me tell you what is going to be the surprise. All the people who are watching us right now, stay with us by the end. You have to fill one form. And according to that form, we are going to pick up random 100 people who will receive the GFG premium for free. Okay, so this is for you. This is the gift for you. So you have to just stay tuned till the end and you have to follow whatsoever points I'm mentioning. Okay, so sir, let's now discuss more about the premium and discuss all of its features. So the very buzzing feature that I have been seeing for that is that we are providing top courses in that. So would you like to tell something about it?
See, in the tech field, what happens is you need to learn fundamentals, and then you need to decide which technology you want to pick. Whether you are a student or even if you are a working professional, you want to switch sometimes.
Correct.
So to switch the technology or to learn a new technology, you need to first explore every technology that
Right, that's true.
which is appealing to you. So what was happening with the individual courses, people were not able to explore that and then decide which one to pick. With GFG Premium, you get courses of all domains. You get courses in data science, machine learning, you get courses in data structures, you get courses in every technology, so that you can explore every course.
Right.
And whichever course you feel like, you can finish it. And
Correct.
then later also, if you want to switch, you can switch to the other course. So
Right.
you have lots of courses available, more than 50K worth courses available in the GFG Premium that you get free access with Premium.
That is actually going to be really helpful for you. So if you are done with one skill and you want to explore the next one, you can choose it from the pool that we are offering. Along with that, sir, recently I've been like visiting different colleges, and I recently visited Andhra Pradesh. So one more thing that I've noticed that is among the students is that they do not like ads in between the content. And I personally also, whenever I'm learning something or anybody's learning something, ads are kind of a distraction, which sometimes has happened to me, that I have clicked and I have went to completely somewhere else, breaking the flow of my learning completely. So the next feature is around that, which is completely your ad-free experience. So please tell something about the ad-free experience, sir.
All right, guys. So, being a teacher, I started Geeks for Geeks to teach students about different technical articles, whatever experiences I had in different interviews. Started sharing all the questions and answers. And I was doing Geeks for Geeks for a long, long time without any ads, and never
Right.
wanted to actually put ads. But my family asked me like, "How will you make money out of it?"
That is true, sir.
So that is how I decided to put ads on Geeks for Geeks, and ad has been a big revenue stream for us.
Right.
But with premium, you don't see any ads, and as a student, you don't want to see interactions, a lot of distractions, a lot of times when you are learning. You don't want to see some ad coming up here and there that is destroying your studies. So with premium, you get ad-free environment.
So that is actually going to help the users a lot in maintaining a streamlined way and learning in a very regular pace. Along with that, sir, that we are discussing all these features, and one more feature that intrigues me too much around this premium is that we get to have our Yogi bot, which for me is like my senior, who has answer to every problem. No matter where I'm stuck, I can ask the Yogi bot, and that can help me out. So please tell more about it.
Not only seniors, there were some faculty actually, जिनको we used to
Yes,
call
sir.
Yogi sir.
Yes, sir.
Those faculty who know everything. So with Yogi bot, what happens is if you are enrolled in a course or if you're solving practice problems on Geeks for Geeks, whenever you have a doubt, you can ask the Yogi bot. In fact, you can check out the Yogi bot with problem of the day. You must be aware that on Geeks for Geeks, we have this problem of the day where we upload
Right.
a new problem every day with editorials and everything. And in this problem of the day feature, you have Yogi bot support also. So you can check out the Yogi bot feature with problem of the day as well. With premium, you get Yogi bot on every course, on
Okay.
every problem.
So I guess we have already put Yogi bot in POTD. So have you guys taken the use of it? Have you guys explored it? If you have, then please let me know in the chats. And we have discussed a few features, and we have been talking. So what about you? What is your perspective in that? I would want to know that. Let's have a quick chat. If you have any query to ask, you can put that up. I am reading all your comments here. So please mention your comments. Let's answer those before moving ahead with even more and exciting features. All right, guys. Yes, I explored. So Shubham, would you like to tell about the experience? How was it? Gaurav has also explored it. Cool. Good evening. Explored Yogi. Pradeep has also explored Yogi. How was your experience, guys? Solving the problem and having a helper by the side. How did it go for you? Uh, so people are asking about the Jobathon hiring challenge.
See, Jogathon, how it works is we do a monthly contest and we have the list of top performers. And whatsoever company comes to us for hiring, we share your score in the Jogathon that we did a contest there and these guys got the best ranking out of it. And if these companies find a profile suitable, they actually shortlist you for the interview.
So I hope that answered your query. And Shubham has told us about his experience. He's saying that the Yogi bot lets him know that if there is any other solution to the same question by giving you the hints regarding the question. Well, isn't it exciting? It doesn't provide you the solution directly, but rather Yogi bot helps you to think about a new solution yourself. Right, sir. So for me also, if I get a little few hints and I form solution myself, it is way more rewarding than just understanding the solution which is provided. Right.
True.
So I hope that is helping a lot. And Shubham, thanks for sharing your experience. Others too. Vishal is saying that you too have used Yogi. Please tell us more about it because again, our whole team has been working behind it, and if that is being fruitful for you, it's a reward for us. So please mention your experiences. I'm here to read it. Hmm. So Pradeep is saying that it also helped in changing the codes and wheresoever he was getting stuck. So it's again very good to know that you guys are using it. Thank you, Naveen, for appreciating us. Okay. Again, I guess a lot many people have put their questions. Uh, we are going to be picking the questions from here. And if you want, if you want to have any more conversation, you can add it up here. Let's talk about some more features, which include some of the very really amazing things that I have to announce it to you. Uh, all right, sir. Let's discuss more about the features. Well, one more feature that I have found very useful is the AI text summarization because whenever I'm going to learn a new topic, GFG has a very big and good collection for articles. But sometimes it seems a little time consuming to go through all the articles. So how can people make use of AI text summarization and pace up their learning?
So this particular feature is my personal favorite.
Yes, sir.
What happened with GeeksforGeeks over the time, if you look at any article, even if you look at any DSA article in
Right.
particular, there are multiple approaches to solve it, and we allow people to contribute their own solutions that are
Right.
looking different, that have better time complexity. So articles have become lengthy over the time, and many times people have their quick interviews in the coming
Right.
months, and they want to quickly see the summary of every article.
Right.
So for those people, this is really, really a very useful feature. They can just quickly summarize the article, and this feature is live right now. Even if you are not a premium user, you can check out this feature and see how does it work and how it works for you, and you can share your comment right in the
So
YouTube video.
why not right now, guys? You are here live with us. Why don't you give it a try and tell us how is it working? So any article you want to go through, you can go through the article, pick that up. At the corner, you are going to see a drop down where you can click and uh, you can uh, you can say AI text summarization, and a summary which is going to be there. So quickly just give it a try. Give it a try, and right now, live, tell me how is it working for you. Any article that you like, anything that you are learning right now, any article about that, go there and try it.
And we would love to see more and more comments coming in, guys,
Right,
and love to see your feedback. We have been working really, really hard on these features. Our tech team has been working really hard. We have been testing these features. And if you find any case where it worked great for you or where it didn't work for you, please let us know.
right. We are completely open to all the suggestions that you are making. We genuinely hear to every feedback that you are writing, and we work on that. So anything that you want as an addition to it, mention that too. Okay. All right. Well, you guys are putting up the comments in a very faster pace. I'm unable to keep up with all. Let me pick up a few. Okay. So Sri Hari has been asking one thing. Let me reiterate his question. He's saying that with the advent of artificial intelligence tools, is it really worth it to learn programming and problem solving? And he is giving up the example that to solve a problem manually, it might take 1 hour, but using AI tools, it takes just about 30 to 40 seconds. So, what do you think? Let's answer.
I think that's some question that a lot of people would be
Right.
interested.
Correct,
Ki
correct,
what is
correct.
going to happen with AI? See, guys, even I use ChatGPT a lot, but a lot of times it doesn't give you the correct answer. There are a lot
That's
of
true.
questions that you ask, even the simple coding questions, it gives you buggy code and incorrect code. So it's not in a shape where it can replace programmers or it can do what you can do as a programmer, and even in
Right.
problem solving. Even right now, HRs mostly rely on hiring challenges to
Mhm.
hire people. That's the situation right now. It might change in the future when the tools become better and better with time. Even if that happens, DSA and programming, these things are going to remain as fundamentals. As a student, even if you use some technology, you need to know how it internally works. So even if tomorrow, say after say certain years, 3 years, 4 years, ChatGPT or AI to start generating the code perfectly, even though they don't do right now, even then you need to know the fundamentals, how it
Right.
works internally, how to optimize it. So it's going to be like this in the future, even if that happens.
We must be taking it up as our personal assistant. So yes, that is for sure that you have mentioned that it takes a pace up of solving problems of writing code a lot, but you have to review the code. You cannot put the code directly, generated by ChatGPT directly to your code base, because most of the times you have to make the adjustments. Even for making the adjustments, you must be very aware of any syntax of the language that you are using, right? So again, you have to learn programming, you have to learn how the problems are being solved, you have to be good with logic. Only then you can use ChatGPT even better, right? Just writing the prompt and getting the answer is not it. You have to keep on pondering upon it and get the best out of ChatGPT, right? So make sure that for that you practice it more.
And I want
And
to add one more thing to it.
yes, sir.
The people who are actually more productively able to use ChatGPT, they are actually good programmers. They know
Right,
fundamentals really well.
right,
That is how they are able to validate what is being generated right and what is being generated wrong. So you need to know the fundamentals, and there is nothing wrong in using
right.
ChatGPT. Use it once you learn the fundamentals.
True, and you can only use it once you are very good with all the, programming yourself. You know the right question to ask. Only then you'd be getting the better answer, right? So let's pick up. Okay, many people have been asking things. Hello, Naseem. Hello, Shubham. Is it from the platform? Hmm. Okay. All right. So again, the question I put: have you used the text summarization yet? Some people went saying that okay, they are going to use the text summarization. So who has used the text summarization? Let me know. What are the features available in GFG Premium? Rushi, that is what we are discussing. We have discussed a few features, and one of the feature is text summarization, and that is what we have asked you to do yourself. It is live on the GFG platform. Go to any of the articles at the top right, you can see text summarization for it. Just try, give it a try once, and let us know how is it working. Okay. I guess Shubham was going to, try this, try the summarization. Others are already trying it.
So while you guys are trying it, I just wanted I'd like to add those features that we
Right.
already talked about. Those who have joined late,
Sure.
we talked about three
Yes, sir.
features so far, right?
Correct.
One is ad free, one is Yogi bot, and the third one was text summarization.
Right. And also, we have talked about the courses and the dilemma that everyone has
Right.
while choosing their skill. So, guys, We are going to be revealing everything. And Anmol is saying that he has used AI text summarization this morning only. So please tell us your experience. Anmol, how was the experience? How was it working for you? Hmm. So, Jakin, it's always our effort to make your experience, your learning experience, even smoother. I hope it is helping in that. Okay, Adit is ensuring that the text summarization summarizer is working properly. Thank you, Adit. If you have had any sort of experience, like if you have utilized it well, then do let us know. If you have found any problem, then you can also let us know. All right. Sir, so I guess we have more features to reveal. That is not it. Premium offers a lot many things. So one situation also that I have felt that most of the people who are learning with us, either they are in the college or they are doing any job, right? So most of the time they have evenings and nights to see the lectures, to solve more problems, and they have doubts, right? So in the premium, we are also bringing the doubt support, which is available for 24/7. So no matter if you have any query in night, if you have any query in the morning or in the evening, anytime, you can put that up, and we are going to be there to help you. So would you like to elaborate a doubt support portal and how much effort goes behind it?
So, doubt support is available on the practice problems. It's available on the courses that you consume as a premium user. And many of us as a programmer do coding in the night
Right,
hours.
so that
And
happens.
and that is when we need somebody's support. So it's available 24 by 7. You can
So,
ask your doubts anytime, whenever you are struggling to solve a problem or struggling to understand a concept in a course.
guys, give it a try. Ask your doubts in doubt support portal. If you have doubts, you can put that up there as well. And if you have any corrections or if you have any suggestions for us, do let us know. Okay. All right, people. Thank you, Gagan. Glad to have helped. Sir, Gagan is thanking you.
Thank you, Gagan, for being here.
And hmm. So, yes, again, let me mention, we are launching the premium today in this session, and 100 people, 100 random people would be getting this premium subscription for free. How? You have to fill a form for that. Where are you going to find that form? The form is going to be in the description if you are watching us from YouTube or LinkedIn, or if you are watching us from Instagram, then you can check the bio of our channel. You can you can find the form there. Do fill it up. We are going to be randomly picking up 100 people from there, and we'd be sending you the premium. Okay. Any more queries you have, you can put that up. We are here to take those. Gaurav is saying with accurate points. Gaurav is saying using text summarization now it gives us answers in short and concise manner with accurate points. Okay, glad that it is helping you out, Gaurav. This live chat feature using. Okay.
And we are going to add a lot more features in the premium in the coming days.
Yes,
We are
sir.
actively working. So whatever features are right now, you might see a lot of features coming up in the
Right, sir.
future as well.
Sure. One more thing, one more exciting feature that I have not told as of now. Does that happen to you as well? Let's say you are learning something and you are following a series of articles, and you are making notes side by side, so that again when you are revisiting the things, it is not going to take you as much time as it like took in the first go. So we have added that feature to the website itself. When you are having your, when you're going through an article and you want to highlight some points, you want to pick that up, you can use the notes. So the next feature, tell us more about the next feature, sir. Personalized notes.
So personalized notes is a feature which was also earlier available on Geeks for Geeks.
Okay.
Again, we made some mistakes there and learned from the mistakes. Now it's like with a lot of learning, we have launched this feature now. And I see a lot of people writing in comments, that writing this comment in this article for me to remember again when I
Right,
come
right,
back to
sir.
Geeks for Geeks.
Right.
So this is a feature where you don't have to write in comments. You don't have to publicly write it. You can write it
Right.
for your personal use, and you will see a button with every article where you can write your notes. Whenever you come back to this article after a certain time, you will be seeing the same notes again available for your personal use. So this feature is especially useful if you're learning a new technology, or if you're learning a DSA or anything on Geeks for Geeks using Geeks for Geeks articles. You can definitely use this feature.
Sure. So all the features that we have discussed so far, let's just revisit it, sir. The first feature is the top courses being available to you, so that you don't have to again brainstorm that what a skill you're going to pick up. You can directly go see a few videos and see if that is clicking with you. You can carry on with that skill and you can upskill yourself. Then we have text summarization, again very helpful feature. When you are going through the articles, you can pick that up. So the other ones, if you want to mention.
We talked about Yogi bot
Right,
and personal notes.
correct. So, guys, all these features sum up to make your experience even smoother, even better. Use all these features. Some of them are already available and you guys are using it. People have already told in the chats about how Yogi is working very well and helping to solve the problems, and how the text summarization is spacing up their learning. One more thing that I would want to, like give the credit to the tech team. Okay, all these features that are being brought to you, every feature has one good team working behind it. So everyone's efforts is going into that. I guess it is going to be a very good thing that people get to know that how these products are being made. So would we be having interaction with the tech team itself so that we can get to know more about the features?
Sure. Please let us know in comments if you want to interact with the tech team. As I said, I am very active on Tech Bachi channel, which I started for
Yes,
use
sir.
right. So Sandeep Jain channel, where I have this channel Tech Bachi. So you can actually let us know in comments, and if you guys want, we can bring those guys for you, and you can ask your questions how these features are built, how these features are thought of, and why we will build those features, and what is coming up in the premium. So definitely, we would love to have the team for you
Sure, sir.
guys.
So, guys, let's, I've talked about all the features to you. You are going to be using it, and the people who have already used it are telling their experiences. So, apart from that, also, if you have any query, you can put that up. Sandeep sir is here. He'll be picking those questions and would be answering to you. So, guys, all right, let me see. Um, Hassan is asking from where are you going to get the form? Buddy, it's available in the description of YouTube and LinkedIn. And if you're joining in from Instagram, then it is available in the bio. Okay. Mm, okay. Gagan is thanking you, sir.
Great to have you, Gagan, here.
Um, guys, if you have more questions, you can put that up. Um, Again, one of the most generic question coming up, sir. How to switch?
All right. So the way tech industry is going on right now, you should always be ready to switch. You should definitely work on upskilling yourself on weekend. Use your time to make sure that you are learning the right technology. And whatever technology your company is using, you are not only doing it for the sake of your company. You know ins and outs. What are the alternatives of this technology? What are the other companies using? So you should be aware of these things, and you make sure that you keep upskilling. Be always ready to switch, even if your job is very stable. That is very required for the working professionals these days.
So, people, if you have already, filled the form, let me know in the comments. Just give me a plus one in the chats if you have filled the form already, because we are going to be choosing 100 people from those forms who are going to be receiving all the premium features for free. So, guys, who has filled the form already? If you haven't filled it yet, please fill it up and then tell me in the chats. So one person is saying that he took our GFG DSA course and it helped him a lot for a job switch. Well, we have been working for you. Sir has made this course with so much efforts. And if it is working for you, then thank you so much for your gratefulness.
So DSA course, actually, I had put all my experiences
Yes, sir.
and all my efforts in building that DSA self-paced course, and revised it also multiple times.
Yes, sir. So, all right, I can see how many people are mentioning. That means most of you have, filled the form. Others who are watching us live, do not miss the opportunity. It could be you as well who will be receiving the GFG Premium. So please make sure you fill the form. So, what courses shall we choose? So, one person is asking, what courses should we choose, offline or online?
See, I'll tell you about the premium. So, if you want to know what courses are available on premium, mostly self-paced courses are available there. You can search Geeks for Geeks Premium. You will find the page of premium. There you can find all the courses which are available on the premium. Now, coming to your question, online and offline. So, it all depends upon you. So, if you are self-motivated to learn, you can go for self-paced courses. There you have the freedom to learn and study anytime. But if you feel like you need support or some handholding and you need a cohort environment where some like-minded people are coming on weekend and taking classes, so you can go for offline or live classes. So it's all your choice, actually, what kind of person you are. If you are self-motivated, go for self-paced courses.
Okay, I hope that answered your question. Others too, you can make the use of this opportunity. Sir is here with us. So please ask him whatsoever question you have. Okay, people have filled the form. Sure. Well, we are going to picking randomly 100 people, and if you fill the form, then please just make your fingers crossed, and we'll be releasing the names soon. Adarsh is saying that he hasn't got the form. But he again, mentioning you again that form is available in the YouTube description and the LinkedIn description of this event. And if you are joining us from Insta, then it is available in the bio. Okay. Mm-mm-mm. All right. Okay, Aditya has asked one question. Others, he's saying that will we also get certificates in golden theme or any change after taking premium and completing the courses?
That is a good feedback and suggestion. We'll discuss with the team and let you know.
If you are completing it with premium, we will have a golden certificate printed for you. Let's see. All right. So, okay. I guess so many people have filled the form, and if you haven't filled it yet, please go and fill that up. Okay. So, we have spent approximately half an hour here with all the people. If you have any words that our audience must know, then please tell them.
So, guys, just wanted to say these are really tough times for the tech people, whether you, especially for freshers these days. So, I would just say keep working hard and keep yourself upskilling time to time, so that, and it might take some more time. It might
Yes, sir.
happen that some of your seniors got placed with relatively less effort, and you might have to put more efforts to get the right job and get the right opportunities. But don't stop, actually, and keep working hard on your skills. And it might take more some time, but while you if you keep doing something for a long time, you definitely get success. Just try to be uh, good in the fundamentals and pick a technology and try to be good in one particular technology that works for freshers most of the time.
Sure. So, guys, as Sarah have already said, please don't be disheartened. If you are a fresher and not placed yet, please keep upskilling yourself. And if you're preparing for a switch, upskilling is needed. Pick up a skill that intrigues you the most, learn it, and we are here for you. We are going to be making the learning process as smoother as possible, and we are open to all the feedbacks. And everybody is thanking us. Well, we are also grateful to you. You are the people who make up this community. So thank you so much. It was very great interacting you. I hope you guys have also loved the session. If you liked it, please like the session and do mention in the comments that what do you like the most about it. Okay, we'll be reading the comments, and let's conclude the session. It was great having you. Use all the features of Premium and let us know that how the features are working. Okay, and you can do that in the chats as well. Use the feature, tell us how it worked for you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you. Take care, everyone. Bye.